There are several ways to find the items you need on parts.cat.com. Which method works best will depend on the information you have available. We'll briefly touch on 6 options in this video. If you know the parts numbers, we recommend Quick Order or Part Number Search. If you know your equipment serial number, then Parts Manuals and Serial Number Search will be the most helpful. If you have neither of those, you can still find the right items using Shop by Category and the General Search. If you already know the parts numbers you want to order, click on Quick Order. This form lets you quickly enter the quantities and parts numbers, along with optional fields where you can enter additional details if desired. Once you've entered all your parts, you have 2 options. If you would like to review your items and continue shopping, click Add to Cart. If you are ready to move into the checkout process, click Add to Cart and Check Out. Either way, you will have the opportunity to review the order before it's placed. You'll also see any alternative or replacement parts offered. A second option, if you know your part number and would like to learn more about the item before putting it in your cart, is the Part Number Search. On the home page, click the Part Number tab, enter a part number, and click Find Parts. You'll be taken to a page with details, including the price and availability at your local dealer, as well as details such as weight and compatible models. If you are ready to purchase, click Add to Cart. If you have the serial number of the equipment being serviced, you can search the Parts Manuals, or SIS, to find the correct parts. Or you can do a serial number and keyword search. Let's first look at how to use the Parts Manuals. You can enter the serial number manually, or your CAT dealer can pre-populate a drop-down list of equipment you own to make this process even easier. The serial number will help you find the right diagrams to identify parts and add the recommended quantities to your order. As an alternative, if you are familiar with our Advanced Parts Book System SIS, you can click on SIS and use it to build your parts list. Once you have your parts list created, click on Order Parts in SIS to bring the list of parts into parts.cat.com's Quick Order form and add them to your cart. The process is covered in more detail in a separate tutorial video. Let's go back to the home page to see another option for searching with your equipment serial number. You can enter it along with a part keyword on the home page here. Once again, you can enter the serial number manually or select from a list of equipment set up by your local dealer. Now click on Find Parts. The search results will be limited to the items that fit the equipment you specified. You can add parts directly to the cart from the search results or click on the part to learn more about it. You can also change your search parameters at the top of the page. Now, what if you don't have a part number or serial number? One option is Shop by Category. Using the categories, subcategories, and the specification options on the left, you can narrow in on the options that will fit your needs, compare them side by side, and add items to your cart. Another option is the search function available by clicking the search icon at the top right of the site. As you start typing, suggested items will appear below. You can click on one of those items to view it, or tap Enter on your keyboard to see the full search results. On the search results page, you can narrow your search using the categories and specifications listed on the left. You can also use the advanced search options to narrow your search if needed. As always, your local CAT dealer is ready to assist with your parts buying experience. Just mouse over the store you're shopping with for their local contact information.